Hello, my name is Samrat Deka and I'm a director in Repose. We're part of a family business which is involved in food processing and beverage processing. Repose was established by my grandfather in 1931 in Mongoldoi. In 1998, after I graduated, I came and started it in Guwahati as well. Currently, we manufacture in 3 different facilities for Repose, and we employ close to around 500 people. So the softwares that we were using prior to becoming connected with Odoo was fundamentally Tally with a plethora of different kinds of Excel sheets that we had made for our purpose. Now, while Tally was quite robust and good for accounting, we found a lot of things that we needed in the inventory front, in the manufacturing front, in the quality control front, and also in the supply chain management. We tried many softwares, pretty much all the softwares that were available, and the primary difference that allowed us to choose Odoo was that the price and the features that were being offered for that price. That hit the sweet spot for us. Other than that, what excited us a lot is the fact that Odoo has a huge repertoire of open source coders. How Odoo helps us compared to the previous softwares we were using is fundamentally at the level of granularity with which it allows us to enter data and also to look at what is happening in the business with a finer detail. Also, Odoo helped us to modernize the systems that we generally deploy in our retail outlets. It allowed us to vision that we could have retail outlets that did not have cashiers. So the apps that we are using currently are accounting, sales, purchase, manufacturing, and the inventory. We hope that in very short time we will be using all the features that Odoo has provided us with. So when we're using accounts, sales, purchase and inventory, it's not very dissimilar from how we were using it earlier as well. But earlier it was just for our record keeping. Now we can use the same accounts, inventory, sales and purchase as an interaction with our customers and vendors. Other than that, in the manufacturing, the level of granularity which we can achieve in terms of recording our data and consequently improving, based on that data, improving the productivity of our manufacturing processes is something that was not possible with the previous software, and Odoo allows us to do that very smoothly. And we're waiting for Odoo to deploy AI in such a way that we no longer need to see reports. To conclude in one statement, for businesses like us, Odoo is the future.